Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is Monica from Impact Package.
When it comes to custom candy bags with a display box, there are various functions you might consider incorporating to enhance the packaging and presentation of your candy products. Here are some ideas. 1. Transparency. Including a transparent window on the candy bags allows customers to see the delicious candies inside, which can attract attention and generate interest. 2. Compartments. If you have different types or flavors of candies, you can create compartments within the display box to keep them organized and separate. This makes it easier for customers to choose their preferred candies and maintain their freshness. 3. Branding. Incorporate your logo, brand colors, and other branding elements prominently on the candy bags and display box to create brand recognition and reinforce your brand identity.
Welcome to contact us to get more information. See you next time. Bye.